Distributive property, combining like terms with distribution. We need to multiply the 3 times the 4 and the 3 times the 5. So you're going to have 3 times 4 minus 3 times 5. That's the distributive property. So you get 12 minus 15, negative 3. Same thing in this next one. 5 times x, 5 times 3, 5x plus 15. That is it. Combining like terms, the 5x is a variable with the x term. The 15 does not have the x, so I cannot add those. I'm going to multiply a negative 2. Okay, so I'm going to go negative 2 times x minus a negative 2 times 4. Some of you might say that this is a negative 2 times x, and the two negatives make a plus 2 times 4. And that's fine. Final answer will be the same because this double negative is going to make it plus anyways. So you get a negative 2x plus 8 is your answer for that problem. All right, that was review. Now let's look at some problems. First thing I'm going to do is my distributive property, 4 times v, 4 times 2v, so I get 4v plus 8v, and then I'm still subtracting 7. The 4v plus 8v is 12v, and I'm still subtracting 7. So I get 12v minus 7. On this next problem, okay, I have to distribute this negative to both, just like I did in the previous problem with the 4. So that's going to be a plus 4. I am going to distribute the negative 4 to both in here. So that's going to give me plus 28 plus 16a. My a and my 16a give me 17a. My 4 and my 28 give me 32. So I get 17a plus 32. Negative 4, I'm going to distribute that to both parts inside of the parentheses. Negative 4m, a negative times a negative 4, well, we'll just do it this way, plus a negative 4 times 1, and then minus 9. So this is a negative 4m. Now in con, they don't want you to write down plus a negative 4 minus 9. They want you to write it as just a subtract 4. But that's okay. Here's the thing. You have to know what this is equal to. Using your calculator, whether you did a subtract 4 minus 9 or whether you did an add negative 4 minus 9, you're going to get a negative 13. Again, if you write it as add a negative 13, you have to put it in con as this. A negative 4 or a subtract 4 and a subtract 9 give you a subtract 13. Next problem. This part is out front. It has an addition separating it, so I don't do anything with it yet. Here, I'm going to do my distributive property. So I have a negative 3x plus 36m plus 30. And that is a typo. That should be an x here. So an x here. And that is going to give me 33x plus 30 as the answer. Okay. A negative 2 times b, a negative 2 times b. So I get a negative 2b minus a negative 2b. It's a negative 2b plus 2b. That is 0. And that is our answer. Throwing in some sprinkles. You can hear me chalking it up. Oh yeah, we got to have the green ones as well. I don't like black sprinkles, so we won't add those. The next problem. 17 minus p minus 2. Subtract the p, and the subtract and a negative make a minus. So I get minus 2. So that's a negative p plus 15. 17 and a minus 2 makes 15, positive 15. So my answer again is a negative p plus 15. All right, I believe that is it. Good luck.